Problem 1. Find the GCF of 70 and 480. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of each number. 70 equals 7 times 10. 7 is prime, but 10 can be broken down into 2 times 5. So 70 equals 7 times 2 times 5. 480 equals 48 times 10. 10 can be broken down into 2 times 5. 48 equals 2 times 24. 24 can be broken down again into 2 times 12. 12 can be reduced even further to 2 times 6. And 6 can be represented as 2 times 3. So 480 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. Step 2. Find the factors both numbers have in common and place them inside the parentheses. 70 equals 7 times the grouping 2 times 5. 480 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times the grouping 2 times 5. Since these two numbers have two common factors, 2 and 5, we have to multiply them. Thus, the greatest common factor, GCF, of 70 and 480 is 2 times 5, which equals 10. Problem 2. Find the GCF of 12, 24, 36, and 72. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of each number. 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3. 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 36 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 72 equals 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3. Step 2. Find the factors all four numbers have in common and place them inside the parentheses. 12 equals the grouping 2 times 2 times 3. 24 equals 2 times the group 2 times 2 times 3. 36 equals the group 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 72 equals the group 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 2. Since these four numbers have three common factors, 2, 2, and 3, we have to multiply them. Thus, the greatest common factor, GCF, of 12, 24, 36, and 72 is 2 times 2 times 3, which equals 12. Problem 3. Find the GCF of 3, 5, 7, and 11. All the given numbers are prime numbers. 3 equals 3 times 1. 5 equals 5 times 1. 7 equals 7 times 1. 11 equals 11 times 1. Therefore, the greatest common factor, GCF, of this set of numbers is 1. Problem 4. Find the GCF of 11, 22, 33, and 121. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of each number. 11 equals 1 times 11, since 11 is prime. 22 equals 2 times 11. 33 equals 3 times 11. 121 equals 11 times 11. Step 2. Find the factors all four numbers have in common and place them inside the parentheses. 11 equals 11. 22 equals 2 times 11. 33 equals 3 times 11. 121 equals 11 times 11. Since these four numbers have just one common factor, 11, this number is also the greatest common factor. Thus, the greatest common factor, GCF, of 11, 22, 33, and 121 is 11.